Shield Group, good day. So today is your Christmas party. So gusto man nating sumabay sa celebration nyo today. But again, hindi natin kaya. No? So maybe I'm in transit as you celebrate your Christmas party today. But I'd like to recognize the group of Roel, handling Sector S. Of course, under Sector S is Shell Group and the leadership of Chris Rubilar. I'd like to congratulate the team. No? I'd like to take this opportunity with their wins. We have improved SLA and clients SLA in Alabang. We got additional business overflows in CDO and extension overflows. In fact, in terms of financials, nakita natin or naramdaman natin ang magandang bottom line of Shell Group today. So with this, continue the performance. Next year will be a breakthrough years to all of us moving forward. And always remember na itong Christmas party nyo is a form of pasasalamat or thank you from the past management. You deserve this. This is your party. And gusto lang natin na ang celebration natin maging safe also. So make sure na pag-uwi natin sa bahay ay buo pa rin at safe tayo na. And lastly, huwag natin kalimutan bakit tayo may Christmas party in the first place. We celebrate the birth of one child who changed the world. Merry Christmas, Merry Pasko, and advance Happy New Year.